Our number 3 spot goes to a BBC anchor who was caught off guard when the camera cut to him unexpectedly.
Times in the early 20th century. And there's a special affection for the...
Oh, what's out there? Now, it's...
You can't just play it off like it didn't happen. That's the BBC's Ben Brown. He apologized to viewers on Twitter, saying, "I was at the end of a long shift after a 5 a.m. start when the director cut to me by mistake. The perils of live TV."
Oh, I'm sure he cut to him by mistake.
Proper. Okay.
What's this?
So this happened a few years ago. Same thing.
Yeah.
Zach Myers there and we were in a package, and I fixed my bra straps, and the package cut out early, and here we are. So I grabbed a screenshot of it because, you know, this is just what happens. Zach is like, maintain forward looking.
See, I thought you were doing the chicken dance.
That's what Ashley said. Nope, fixing the old bra straps. You have to take these opportunities where you can, you know?
Oh, I've had to fix my bra straps before.
Yeah.
I know how you feel.
Yeah, solidarity, Scott.